So this is the GATE 2017 problem, and in this question, what is given as in this question it is given passengers try to repeatedly to get a seat reservation in any train running between two stations until they are successful. If there is 40% chance to get the reservation in any attempt, okay, then average number of attempts a passenger need to make to get the reservation. This is what we need to calculate. Okay, so let's solve this question. What is random variable here? Random variable, random variable is x. Then x is the number of attempts. Number of attempts. Attempts like one attempt required, two attempt required, three attempt required, or four attempt required, like this. Okay, and every attempt here has 40% chance to get successful and 60% chance is there to not getting successful. Okay, so we need to get these things. Okay, so expectation of x we need to calculate. What is the expectation of x? Expectation of x is going to be x into pxi. This is the thing. Okay, and this is weighted over I. So this is the expectation actually. So that is going to be the first attempt. Okay, sorry, this is actually the first attempt into probability of that is p1 plus second attempt into p2 plus third attempt into p3, fourth attempt into p4, like that. So the first attempt and probability of first attempt to get successful is 40%, so 0.4. 0.4. Second attempt, when first attempt get unsuccessful, into first attempt getting successful. For third attempt similarly we have third attempt, when first two are failed, this and this are failed, then only third attempt we will go for. So it is going to be 0.6 into 0.6 into 4, 0.4, like this. So this we are getting something like a geometric series, not purely geometric series but something like that. So what we are going to count here is like this. Let's have 0.4 common here, then it will remain 1 plus 2 into 0.6 plus 3 into 0.6 squared plus 4 into 0.6 cube, like this. It is something like n or raised to power n, something like that. Okay, not purely but something like that. So we know that summation of x raised to power n when mod x is less than 1 is going to be 1 divided by 1 minus x. So if we differentiate both the sides, then what we will get? We'll get summation of n x raised to power n minus 1 is going to be, if you differentiate this term, this whole term, it will coming out to be uh, d by dx of 1 minus x raised to power minus 1, and that is going to be minus 1 divided by 1 minus x whole square into minus 1, that is going to be 1 divided by 1 minus x whole squared. So let's do this problem. So finally we get one result here, that summation of n x raised to power n minus 1 is going to be 1 divided by 1 minus x whole squared. So let's try to fit this whole thing, this whole thing, this whole thing. So this is 0.4 into, if you see closely, this thing is going to be 1 into 0.6 raised to power 1 minus 1, and 2 into 0.6 raised to power 2 minus 1. So it is something like this, n x raised to power n minus 1. So finally we get the result. Let's apply the result. So it is going to be 0.4 into 1 divided by 1 minus 0.6 whole squared. So it is going to be 1 divided by 0.4, that is going to be 2.5. So this is our answer. So in this question, slightly tricky this question was to, if you're not getting confused, okay, so you can do this problem easily. And there is one geometric summation is involved, so we need to take care of that thing as well. So thank you very much, see you in the next video.